So I finally got out of my neighborhood and been around taking some pictures all day, but I thought I'd show you what downtown Rockford is looking like right now after, plows have been going for days on end now, it seems like. But we've got massive piles of snow everywhere. And giant chunks in the streets still. Not too many cars on the road. They've got the bridges pretty clear, it looks like. And downtown is getting a lot better. They've been working at it. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon now, and they've been working pretty steadily. People snow blowing everywhere you look. Got bobcats and backhoes shoveling. And there's giant plow trucks. This is actually the clearest street I've been on all day, which is pretty remarkable right now. We get these patches where it's just still pretty thickly snow covered. A lot of trucks are just fishtailing around. Cars just can't handle these road conditions. Pull into my neighborhood here. Once we get off the main drag, the road conditions deteriorate rather significantly. You still have giant blinding piles of snow everywhere where you just can't really see around many of the turns. You got people just digging out everywhere. Cars getting stuck all over town on the interstate. I got stuck for a moment in my driveway just trying to get out. It's been an ugly morning, but I'm gonna go grab some photos of these people trying to dig their car out of the middle of the street. But it's definitely an interesting experience to see all this snow. I'll tell you that much.